excited to film my reaction. So I got some shoes. It's like little sandals. I thought they'd be more pink, but they're still really cute. Okay. I did some grocery shopping, so I'm gonna show you what I got. It's so hot out today, it's literally almost 90 degrees. So I got some matcha ice cream. Then I was craving some chips and salsa for the past couple of days, so I got. And then I also got avocados to make guac. And then I also have been wanting like a good salad or just like mozzarella with arugula and tomatoes. So I got, and then little fresh mozzarella balls. And I also love lentil soup, so I got 2 kinds. This like canned one and this one. Lentils. Now for fruits and veggies. Pink ladies and onion. I also, some people make fun of me for doing this, but I just get one of each mostly, unless I know like with apples I'm gonna eat it like more often. So I got 1 lemon, I got a pear, red pepper, and then I got a potato because I'm gonna make a turkey burger for myself. So there's that. And then I got this Italian bomba hot pepper sauce that I like putting on like my sandwiches or my omelets. Really good stuff. Last, I got this rice cakes. I love putting this stuff in my ramen that I make. So yeah. It's these jeans. They're just dark wash, super baggy. They look super good on. I literally love them. I got another haul because I love buying things. I thrifted this shirt yesterday for like $8, I think. It's like super cute, coquette style. And then I got 2 more things. These Aritzia shorts, which were I think like $5 to be honest. Like boxer shorts, and I think I'm gonna wear this to the beach tomorrow. My little bikini. And then the last thing that I got was this Cause turtleneck. It's like one of those like see-through ones kind of, but it's like 100% wool, so maybe on like cold summer nights I'll wear it, just like fall and whatnot. And then I got some packages from Amazon. My nails done like a month ago, but they need redoing. And and I'm gonna start doing my nails myself. So I'll show you what I got. Okay. First package I already opened, and I got like nail brushes. Super fun, glittery. And then I got this like set. Some cuticle oil, cuticle remover, some clips, you know, just the fun stuff. And then I got this like builder gel, which helps to like grow your nails out without them breaking. That. Okay, so in here it's like a nail protein bond. There's like a little, I look, you spent a lot of money on this, but I feel like it'll go a long way if I like learn how to do my nails myself. Acetone. So yeah, that was my haul. These are the nails. I did like a little bow and some stars on this hand. Kind of the same thing, but I put a little Hello Kitty gem on there. I'm literally obsessed. I look kind of crazy because I had like a headache, so I just kind of been home all day. But I bought some things for Muji that I wanted to show. First thing is this. Cute for like pens, pencils, whatever. Or like my nail brushes, because I'm a nail tech. And then I got this and this to put all my nail supplies in. So I'm gonna do that now and then show you. Okay, this is what it looks like now. I just put my brushes in here. My ring tans are crazy, but just the brushes and whatnot. Gems, files, and then like all my nail polishes, and yay! And then you can also like stack this, which is nice. Now I'm just gonna figure out where to put it. Okay. I got some packages from Jins, this sunglass company. I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, first pair. Kind of cute. I don't have anything like this. Okay. Second pair. Stop. This is so cute. Are you kidding? Okay. That is so cute. And it comes with a little, yeah, miffy sunglass cleaner. I'm also filming a TikTok while I film this video. So if I'm looking back and forth, that's why. Okay, next pair. Green. These are cute. I like cannot break my nail. Oh, these are cute.